In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save working hours on a project in Zoho Books. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to track and save your time directly inside Zoho Books so that your project hours are recorded accurately. This is really helpful if you bill clients based on time or if you simply want to monitor how much effort is going into each project. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different modules. Find the option labeled Time Tracking. This is the area where Zoho Books keeps all of your time entries, project timers, and related reports. Go ahead and click on Time Tracking to open that section. Once the Time Tracking section loads, you'll see several options related to how you can monitor time. Here, we want to focus on the projects you're working on. At the top or along the side, depending on your layout, look for the Projects option. Click on Projects. This will bring you to a list of all your existing projects that are set up for time tracking. Take a moment to locate the specific project where you want to save your working hours. You can scan through the list or use any available filters or search bar to find it faster, especially if you manage multiple projects. When you've identified the correct project, make sure it's selected or simply keep it in view so you know you're tracking time against the right one. Now, to start saving working hours on this project, look towards the upper right corner of the projects page. You should see a Start button there. This button is used to begin tracking time for the project, almost like starting a stopwatch. Click on Start. Once you click Start, Zoho Books begins recording your working hours for that project. Let the timer run while you work. When you finish your task, you'll stop the timer and Zoho Books will save the duration as a time entry linked to that project. This makes your billing and reporting much easier and ensures you don't lose track of the hours you've put in. By following these steps, you'll have a simple, reliable way to capture your working hours on any project in Zoho Books.